Today, I'll show you how to make a realistic little dog. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. First, prepare a wire stick. Leave about a palm length at the end. Wrap the wire around 2 fingers. Tighten the wire carefully. Take the long end of the wire. Pass it through the middle. Start shaping the dog's ear. The ear should be about half a finger long. Now make the other ear. You can adjust the ear size however you like. Shape it according to the dog style you want to create. Estimate the remaining wire length. Start wrapping the wire around the frame. This helps fill the ears and strengthen the shape. Watch carefully how the wire is wrapped. My method is beginner-friendly and detailed. If you're new, feel free to replay this part a few times. After wrapping, pass the wire through the middle. Continue wrapping around the frame. While wrapping, there will be 2 wires in front. Use pliers to guide the long wire through both wires. Tighten everything securely. This gives the dog a fuller face and cheeks. Pass the wire through the first 2 loops. This helps shape the mouth and forehead. Pass the wire through twice for extra support. After that, continue weaving through the first 8 loops. Wrap the wire around the frame again. Keep weaving through the first 8 loops. Once finished, pass the wire through the second set of loops. Tighten the structure firmly. Adjust the shape of the ears. Shape the head carefully. Refine the mouth area. Continue adjusting until it looks natural. The dog's head is complete. Take another wire stick. Wrap it twice around the neck area. Move toward the left front leg. Leave about 1 finger length for the leg. Tighten the wire. Take another stick. Again, leave about 1 finger length. Tighten securely. Wrap the wire around the body 3 times. Now let's make the hind legs. Since this is a sitting dog, the hind legs should be slightly shorter than the front legs. But don't make them too short. Once all 4 legs are finished, gently bend them into shape. Then lift the head slightly. After shaping, wrap the remaining wire around the body. Continue wrapping neatly around the frame. You can follow the video closely. or use your own wrapping style. Just make sure the body feels secure and balanced. Finally, press the end of the wire into the body to secure it. Now let's make the tail. Untwist the end of the thread. Fold it and wrap it around the tail section. The thread I used was a little loose, so I trimmed the extra part. Keep this in mind when choosing your thread. Cut away any excess pieces neatly. Gently bend the legs and body. Shape it into a cute sitting dog pose. And the dog's basic shape is complete. Next time, I'll show you how to add the fur. Bye-bye!